Hey, what's up everybody? Taylor with KC here, and in this video, this is gonna be a very quick how to install video. And today we're checking out two different items for our KC M-Rack roof racks. Number one is the side blackout plate, and this is what's going to come factory with our KC M-Racks to fill the opening for the 10-inch side series lights. So if you did not choose the optional 10-inch C-series side area floodlights, then you're gonna wanna install those side blackout plates in that pre-cut opening. Now, if you do have the 10-inch side scene area or floodlights, then this accessory is gonna be a really great option for you. They come in a 4-pack and they are the side amber covers for those 4 side lights. So you're gonna wanna use something like this, maybe in a situation where you are performing a roadside repair or you're setting up camp at night, and maybe you wanna lower that color temperature of your LED lights to maybe something that's gonna attract a little bit less bugs like these amber lights. Or heck, maybe you're in an environment where there's a lot of dust or a lot of snow or a lot of particles being kicked up into the air, then these amber covers are also gonna be a really great option for that. So with that, let's take a very quick look at how to install these. It is super simple. It takes 2 seconds to do. All you gotta do is make sure that you are lined up properly on the hole, press it on, snap it in, and that is it. It's super easy to do. Repeat the same thing on all 4 openings and you're good to go. Same process for the amber ones as it is for the completely opaque blackout lights as well. So to remove it, the process is just the opposite, and you pinch it from the center and pull it right off. So easy to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. Thank you all for tuning in.